So I'm relatively new to this e-discovery space. I began my journey back in 2022. So I haven't really had a whole lot of opportunity to network. And I thought this would be a really good first sort of inaugural ability to do that. So understand AI and various topics of e-discovery and other similar like-minded folks to sort of get a landscape of, how to navigate this profession.
People who didn't know each other before today were having really interesting and impactful conversations and creating relationships. That's what this is all about. Disco is working to push the conversation forward, and Disco as a technology-forward company and as somebody who's really pushing the boundaries of what e-discovery can do, anything we can do to keep on moving things forward, I think is super exciting.
Everything was inspiring. It made me feel like I could continue to grow. The improvement just lies really in what's coming next.